So here we're told that each worker in a factory is either left-handed or right-handed. We're told that 22 of the 45 workers are male and that 16 of the 34 right-handed workers are female. And we're asked to complete this frequency tree with all of this information and fill it all in. So firstly here, just to make sense of the diagram, we have the total number of people, so male plus female, all of these included, left-handed, right-handed, they're all going to sum to 45. And then this 45 is split off into two categories, so we have male and female here, which are going to sum to this total of 45. We can then take the male category and split them down into left-handed and right-handed members, and as you have to be either left or right-handed, then these two boxes here are going to sum to the total number of males. And similarly, the same is going to happen for the females at the bottom. So if I look back at the information I'm given, I can use this to fill in a couple of the gaps to begin with. So 22 of the 45 workers are male. Now this box here is for the total number of male workers, which we've just been told is 22. So I can fill that in initially here. Now, if 22 of the workers are male, and the male and female workers are going to sum to this total of 45 workers in total, we can work out the number of female workers by taking 45 and subtracting 22 to get the female workers, and that gives us an answer here of 23, which I can put into this box here. So now the total number of workers is 45, male plus female is equal to the total number of workers. Moving on, 16 of the 34 right-handed workers are female. So if we take female to begin with and go down to right-handed workers, we know that 16 of these, there are going to be 16 of these because there are 16 right-handed female workers. Now we're told here that there are 34 right-handed workers in total, 16 of which are female. So in order to work out the number of right-handed male workers, we take the 34 and minus this 16 to give us the right-handed male workers. And that gives us an answer here of 18. So I can substitute that into the right-handed male workers box. Now I just have two more boxes to fill in, and as I said before, the left-handed and right-handed are the only two, a worker is either left-handed or right-handed, so these two must sum to the total number before, which is going to be the 22 male. So this box here is going to be the 22 minus the 18, which gives us 4. And similarly for the female, the left-handed workers, we're going to take the 23 minus the 16, as you have to be either left or right-handed, and that gives us an answer of 7 here. So now we've filled in all of the sections, and we can just check that each pair, so these two branches sum to the branch before, these two branches sum to the branch before, and then we can check that we've got all of these correct and in the right places. Now as for how the marks are awarded here, you get the first mark for basically placing one correct piece of data. So that could be either the 22 or the 16 that were given in the question. The second mark's for correctly placing a piece of data and for finding at least one unknown piece of data. So that would have been for the 23 here, or the 4, or the 18, or 7. And then the final mark is just for this fully correct completed tree diagram.